Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration on Windows 10 and Windows 11. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification. Now first thing you should do is to go to your search bar right here, then type troubleshoot settings. Then go to troubleshoot settings and click on additional troubleshooters, then go to network adapter, then click on run the troubleshooter. Then you should select the network adapter to diagnose. I'm gonna select Wi-Fi here, then click on next. Then it will be loading for some time. After that, close your window and go back and type in the search bar CMD. Then open the command prompt, run as administrator, click on yes. Then it will show you this window right here. And all you have to do is to type the same code that I'm gonna show on the screen right now. First type niche winsock reset. Now the second code is niche winsock reset catalog. Then click on enter. Then niche int IP reset log.txt. Then enter ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Then click on enter. And now you have finished all the steps in the CMD. Then go to the Windows. Then restart your PC. Now after restarting, go to the search bar, then type services. Open services, run it as administrator. It will show you this window right here. All you have to do now is search for WLAN autoconfig. Right click on it, then choose properties. Then go to general, startup type and choose automatic. Then click on stop, click on yes. After that, click on start. Then click on apply. Okay. Close the window, go back to the search bar and type the same letters that I'm gonna show you on the screen right now. Then choose this DLL file. It will show you this window. Right click on Wi-Fi, then go to properties. And now all you have to do is to check the Internet Protocol version 4. Then click on properties, go to general properties, then check these two options, and down here you should check use the following DNS server addresses. And now all you have to do is to type the same number that I'm gonna type right now, then click on OK, then close the tab. After closing the tab, go back to the search bar and type network reset. Click on network reset, open it, and now all you have to do is to click on restart now. Then click on yes, and it will restart your PC. Then the issue will be fixed, and that is it. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.